What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this easy to make brown stew chicken recipe. Stay tuned. What's going on, guys? So for today's recipe, you're gonna need half chicken. You're gonna need 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. You're gonna need about a teaspoon of browning. Drop that in. Not too much, just a teaspoon, because you don't want it to be too dark, all right? You're also gonna need some fresh seasoning and some veggies right here, all right? So I have some carrot, tomato, I have some scallion, onion, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, and some bell peppers, all right? So we're gonna dump that in as well, and then we're gonna give it a nice little mix. All right, guys, so you wanna let your chicken marinate for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. All right, after that, we're gonna get our skillet nice and hot, sear the chicken, and then we're gonna dump in our fresh ingredients right after. Add some water and let it cook. We're gonna let it cook for about 30 minutes on medium-high heat. All right, guys, so you wanna add a drizzle of olive oil, not much. Then we're gonna add about a tablespoon of brown sugar. Mix it in. And the brown sugar, guys, is gonna add a little bit of sweetness to the chicken, and it's also gonna add a little browning, caramelized color to it as well, add a little darkness, all right? So we're gonna add the chicken little by little. Give it a nice sear. Yes, guys, so after searing your chicken for about 2 minutes per side, it should look a little something like this. A little bit dark on the outside. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, so after this now, we're going to add in the water, the other ingredients, some ketchup, a little bit of sugar. Stay tuned. This is about 2 to 3 cups of hot water. And as you can see in the video, guys, I'm adding some ketchup. You just want to add a decent amount of ketchup just to add a nice flavor to it, a little bit of sweetness, thicken up the gravy a little bit. Put on the pot cover and cook for 30 minutes. Yes, guys, so this is what the chicken is looking like, after cooking it for 30 minutes. The gravy is nice and thick. The flavor is just right. And I'm gonna enjoy this recipe today, guys. The brown stew chicken with some white rice, some steamed cabbage on the side. You understand? So you can always enjoy this with any side of your choice. Dumpling, banana, anything you feel like having. But this is what I have today. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipe, guys. See you in the next video. Peace.